Hello guys, so today we are looking at this Olympiad matrix. Okay, so we have to solve 8 exponent 9 minus 8 exponent 8. Okay, so this can say that is equal to 8 exponent 8 plus 1 minus 8. According to law of indices, which is a or m plus n, the same as a or m multiplied by a or n. Okay, so you're going to get 8 exponent 8 multiplying by 8 exponent 1 minus 8. Okay, so now we can say that this one is exponent 8, this is also exponent 8, so we can factor 8 exponent 8 out. So we say that 8 exponent 8 bracket 8 minus 1. Okay, like this. Now, you know that 8 exponent 8 bracket 8 minus 1 is 7. And also, 8 exponent 8, we can express 8 as 2 exponent 3. Okay, then to the power 8 multiplied by 7. Okay, something like this. Now, in indices, have a exponent n on the bracket exponent n, the same as a exponent m multiplied by exponent n. Okay, so in this case, we are going to get 2, 3 times 8 is 24. So 2 exponent 24 multiplied by 7. Okay, and then we also have this 24, we can express it as 2 exponent 12 or in bracket exponent 2. Okay, which is the same as the 2 exponent 24. Okay, now we can say that this 2 exponent 12 exponent 2, it means that we are having this 2 exponent 12 2 times. Okay, multiplied by 7. Okay, let's continue from here. So, but then you can say that 2 exponent 12 is the same as 496. Okay, so in this case, we are going to get, so it was 2 exponent 12 multiplied by 2 exponent 12 times 7. And so 2 exponent 12 is 4096. So we are going to get 4096 multiplied by another 4096, then multiplied by the 7. Okay, so in this case, you can say that this 4096, we can express it as 4000 plus 96. Okay, like this. Then this one to 4000 plus 96 multiplied by the 7. Okay, so further simplification, this and this is going to give us 4000 squared. Okay, plus this one, it will be 2 times 96. Okay, 96, then multiply by 400, 4000. Okay, times 96 squared, all into brackets, multiply by 7. Okay, So this year I use the quadratic form expansion to get this. Okay. So that's how come we have this. So now 96 squared. Let's see, 96 squared is going to be 9216. Okay, 96 squared is 96 times 96. So it will be 9216. So we're going to get, and then 4000 squared. 4000 squared, we are getting 16 million. Okay, so say that 16 million. Okay, plus this 2 times 4000 is going to be 8000. Then plus 96. So that is multiplied by 96. Okay. Then 96 squared is, okay, so here should supposed to be plus. Okay, no multiplication, so plus 9216. Okay, multiplied by the 7. We bring it here. So with this, we have 60 million, okay, plus, so now 96 times 8000, you are getting 76800 plus our 9216 multiplied by 7. Okay, so when we add everything here and you sum everything here, you are going to get 1677216. Okay, so when you sum everything here, this is what we are getting times 7. So this, what's in the bracket, times 7, we are getting 117,44052. Okay, so it means that our final answer is this. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.